5 Fire Safety Ideas to Improve Your Safety Planning. In actuality, the nation experiences more than 355,000 home fires annually, which result in tens of thousands of fatalities and injuries. The risk of combustion exists constantly for a variety of causes, from unattended cooking to defective wiring. For this reason, it's crucial to plan ahead for fire safety in case the unexpected event occurs to your family. For this reason, it's crucial to put smoke detectors around your house, including in and around any sleeping places, and to check them each month to make sure the batteries are still good. Create an escape strategy with your family, outlining a secure exit in the event of a fire using a floor plan of your home. Give everyone 2 routes to exit each area and try to keep the drill to 2 minutes or less. Once you've escaped the burning house, choose a secure location to meet. Lit cigarettes left alone are one of the main causes of house fires. Your home may include a surprising number of flammable objects. It is important to understand what these objects are and how to prevent any fires within your home. There can be additional fires in your house, so you will need to ensure you have the shortest route possible to safety. A defective appliance, overloaded wiring, or water heaters placed too close to combustible objects could all be the cause of a fire. At least once a year, you should hire a professional to inspect your fireplace and chimney and wipe up any creosote that might catch fire. This is why it can be a good idea to get the inspection done before using the unit. Get fired up for fire safety planning. Your fire safety strategy can protect your family by eliminating fire threats and rehearsing an escape route. To learn more about fire safety, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.